Hello everyone, I'm pitching on behalf of Pretty Kind. We are a social enterprise that aims to provide better consumer life cycle of beauty products. Our effort is about preventing usable products from being wasted and going straight to the landfill with its full usability untapped. So we believe we're gonna pay less and enjoy the same for the consumers. We collect unwanted but usable beauty products and redistribute them to the right consumers. Did you know that humans buy 1.5 times more makeup items than clothing items? Unfortunately, people only use 10% of makeup they buy, and the remaining 90% ends up unused. Instead of increase the amount of makeup in the world, we find a home for those 90% of products. Pretty Kind's aims to promote the conscious consumption notion that relieve our planet from waste. Profits then go into supporting sustainability literacy programs and the recycling service of the unusable product. Our business model is simple and you can understand it in 3 simple steps. First is hello there, second is goodbye, and third is do it right. And the Pretty Kind expense is very simple, which has 4 steps. First is legal stick, second is marketing, third is sanitization, and fourth is administration. Pretty Kind is a great social business. We do 2 things really well. First is we are good at redistributing unused beauty products to the right consumers. Second is we understand sustainability practice very well that faces time of age where climate urgency is a major concern. When we think of a beauty product, we only focus on how good they will make us feel without reflecting how much we actually put into use and the impact of its life cycle. Pretty Kind is differentiates as it focuses on reducing global waste while increasing awareness about conscious consumption as well as creating a sharing economy based on better redistribution flow. Our effort has reflected on our milestones. And our key competitor are MooApps and Glambot. What set us apart would sustainability vision. MooApps and Glambot are both great companies. They both have fantastic platforms that allows you to easily sell your used makeup all around the world. If you are looking to buy or sell your makeup at a decent margin quickly, then both MooApps and Glambot are both options. Where Pretty Kind differentiates itself is in its mission. We participate in more specific markets, but we really focus on making the world a better place by reinvesting our profits into sustainability literacy programs and spreading awareness of conscious consumption. We're excited to team up with people who want their makeup treats to have a positive impact of the world, not just generate profit for themselves. Plus, our consumers really adore us and appreciate our value.